Welcome back. I'm going to show you a really quick way to draw a UFO. You go into Insert, Shapes, go back there again, get another circle, send it to the back, I'm going to give it a light fill and a bit of a gradient. This bottom part, let's make that gray. For the outline, just a little bit darker. Give it also a gradient. So highlight the bottom, bevel, let's try this one for now. Insert, Shapes, another circle. Shape fill, make that yellow. Take out the outline. Shape effects, bevel. Use that one. Shape effects, glow. Give it some glow. Okay, we took out the outline. And let's just see here. This one here. And maybe give it a lighter blue, like that. Okay, I'm just going to expand this a little bit. And I'm going to change the bevel. I'm going to change the bevel on the gray part as well. Just like that. I'm going to change it to that. And add an extra glow on the gray part. I think I'm probably going to use this color here. And I'm going to take out the outline. Shape effects. Put it over here. It's going to have some circular lights. I'll use that one. That's a little bit too bright. Like that one. I'm going to see about giving a glow for that dome. Like that. Okay, we're maxed out on the glowing. Well, I think we can actually, just a quick look. Let's go shape effects. I'll open that up and see what they have here for glow. Transparency. Size. Okay, I'm going to bring it up to that. Okay. I wonder if we need the glow on this one. That might be too much right now. Let's see how it looks without it. With it, without it. One more thing here. We're going to go select objects, highlight everything, shape format, group. Now you can move the whole thing as one. All right, thanks for watching.